Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing access. Make sure you can sign into primary accounts and that two-factor methods still work. Once done, decide how you will back up, cloud for simplicity, or a local image to a PC or SD card for full control. Also, check available storage on your chosen destination. You need enough room for app data and media. Start the selected backup tool now and prioritize important folders like photos, messages, and documents to avoid missing anything. You should now execute the chosen procedure carefully. If using cloud, trigger a full device backup and include app settings where possible. This preserves restore points. If you prefer local, connect your device to a trusted PC, use the vendor tool or an imaging app, and create a checksum to confirm integrity. Export contacts, SMS, and photos as separate files, VCF, XML, or ZIP, so you have redundant copies. Make sure backups finish successfully. Before proceeding to account, you must verify backups before resetting. Open saved files, and if you can, restore one small item to confirm usability. Once verified, remove linked accounts, disable locks and encryption, and then perform the factory reset using the system settings. After the reset, restore from your chosen backup and confirm apps and data return. If something goes wrong and a restore fails, try the alternate backup path. Use the local image or manually copy critical files back, because redundancy is why you made multiple copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.